Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're going to be evaluating and testing this. It's from VCOPTER, the world's first Bi-Copter drone under 250 grams. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off right now. All right folks, I do want to show you how easy this is to use. You can see we have the remote control right here. It is showing the front of the camera accordingly. It's a little bright out, so I apologize for the reflection on my phone. But this is a really cool device. It says ready for takeoff. So it's going to go ahead and start spinning. The blades are actually moving very fast. But it looks slower on camera. And boy, this is cool. It is standing still. Let me go ahead and back up so you can see it. And how cool is this? Give me a moment to set my tripod. And yes, how cool is it that I'm able to do this in real time in front of you? Now we have it to where we can go up and down. We can control the drone however we want, left and right. And yes, this is a really cool design. Now we have the device centered on my camera, and I'm going to ask it to take a picture or start video recording. And how cool is this? I can go left, I can go right, and again, it's easy to control, and I can see exactly what it sees. So in this case, we want to move it a little bit the other direction there, and now it is literally right in front of me. Move it just a little bit more, and maybe we're going to bring it down. And we're just controlling right here. Left, right, it's facing me, so there we go. And we're able to get a very cool video image of the device itself. Now another nice aspect we have here, we can take a picture or video at a push of a button accordingly, or stop our video. And this has everything we need right at a push of a button. Now I've walked to a more shaded area so you can see the screen. What's nice about this, that's my assistant Crystal pulling up, is that it's giving a nice steady shot despite the fact that it's a fairly windy day. We can record, we can take pictures, we know the height, the altitude, everything about it right here, and we're controlling it accordingly. And folks, just look how sturdy this image is. They've just done a great job here. It's using a gimbal to give me a completely sturdy image as well. So yes, despite the fact that it is a fairly windy day, we're able to get a great steady shot every single time. And folks, I absolutely love that with the remote control, we can control the gimbal completely. That is really cool, and it gives you a nice smooth shot going up, down, etc. That is very nice. So folks, let me tell you a little bit about the Falcon Mini. The Falcon Mini is a signature creation. As the world's first V-shaped Bi-Copter, the Falcon Mini signals a new approach in both form and function, combining proprietary lift rotor technology with advanced flight algorithms and agile, stable performance. So a couple things I really do love about this device. The 4K camera is beautiful, and you'll see that in some of our use. In addition, it's got an incredibly long runtime. They've done a great job with a lightweight rechargeable battery that we were able to charge in a matter of minutes, and we can get a ton of use out of. On top of all of that, this is using some impressive technology to make sure that it's got great stable lift, and even in windy conditions, it's going ahead, it's making constant adjustments with its high-powered, algorithm-driven processor to make sure that you're getting a very cool shot every single time. It's also capable of vertical shooting, and it is a very low noise drone, which is important to me because you don't want to be distracting an audience or group of people with an annoying loud drone. I also love the fact that it's budget sensitive, and if you're a first-time flyer of drones, you can literally just let it do its own thing. It's going to hang out in the air. You can go up, down, left, right, turn it around. It practically flies itself. And on top of that, you don't have to worry about FAA regulation. this thing is perfect for both beginner, intermediate, and advanced users. It also has a very convenient spot right on the side for your SD card, so you can go ahead and store, and connection is very easy. The controller connects with USB-C right to your smart device, and you're able to control immediately, rotate your phone for the vertical image, rotate your phone for the horizontal image. It's just that easy. This is safe, affordable, convenient, and very impressive. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick this up. It's possibly the easiest drone that I've ever flown. And you know what? I am not an expert, but I love flying this. It also only took a couple minutes to set up, and that's cool too. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You won't be disappointed. You know we love and appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? It's time to go pick one up. It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Go get yours. And stick around for the up-close portion of the video for even more. All the information is right there. All right, friends, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video where you get to see the packaging. This also gives me an opportunity to go over some of the product details we didn't cover yet in this video. In addition, if you're already sold on this pretty impressive copter, it's a great time to put this in your cart. Again, this is a drone with camera for adults, 4K, the VCOPTER Falcon Mini, Bi-Copter design, inverted flight capability. So yes, it will fly inverted, and the max speed is 16 meters per second. And yes, it's got 10,000 feet of video transmission. One battery will last you for a 34-minute time, and it weighs 249 grams. Now you can see a very nice box, and we have already taken it out of the box. In fact, we were just charging it a moment ago. I like the fact that it does come with the USB-C cables, and it charges quickly and efficiently. Now these are nice, that it's got these very durable, reliable, responsible blades. How cool is that? Just a good design there. And yes, they've included everything that you need for impressive flight. Now, as we've flown it and as we've learned about it, I like how easy it is to go from vertical and horizontal recording. The big antenna is built in. You can control the angle of the camera. You've got your camera button with both video and pictures. See that? You've got the control. And if you just let it be, it just hovers. And I like that aspect to this device, that it doesn't take a lot of training to fly. It's one tap, ready to go. V-shaped Bi-Copter that's fast and flexible. And boy, I tell you what, this is perfect for people who are on the go but want everything about it. Now that inverted flight is a premium as well. It can do that. And I don't know of any other device that's doing that. 4K Ultra HD videos, 12 megapixel photos, and yes, you're going to be able to see things from a new experience. It is lightweight at only 249 grams. Your SD card is going right on the side. Let me see if I can show you that. As well as your USB-C, you can plug it in right there and charge it accordingly. I love the fact that it's got the 3-axis gimbal, so everything looks very smooth with a nice lens. They've really come a long way. And the precision positioning and RTH, 10,000 feet video transmission, means you never have to worry about it. And it returns from easily and efficiently. This is beginner friendly. 2 ways of charging. You can take it out and charge it in the hub, included, or you can charge it right in the device. That's what I like to do. And yes, there's a lot in the box, of course. Inside the box, we have our charging cables and things of the sort, all included. Very nice. We do have, I believe this is your couple extra blades, just in case, and an Allen wrench to get everything going. And yes, they've just thought of everything here. I love the fact that this doesn't have too many accessories that get confusing. Everything is just built in. There's your quick start guide. And the quick start guide is pretty easy to follow. And again, it's by a brand that has a reputation for quality, durability, reliability, style, and sophistication. Now, if you're looking for something that you can fly anywhere without an FAA registration, with smooth 4K footage, the anti-shake, and the long run time, this is a perfect choice for you. It's palm size, you can fly it without registration hassle, and it's easy to use. You can take it over water, you can take it over land, again, inverted flight, and the one key home to where it'll come right home very quick with one key push. It's got normal mode, sport mode, and turbo mode. And yes, this thing is impressive and will charge in a matter of minutes. You don't have to buy additional batteries for it. It's good to go without a word to say. So folks, as I give you one last look at the 360 of this little bumblebee, my name, not yours, this is cute, but it is powerful. If you're looking for the best of the best, something that'll allow you to forget the rest, well, guess what? These guys have you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern. It's time to go pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you, but what are you waiting for? It's time to go get one today. Thanks for watching. Love you guys, but adios, amigos.